3 problems every RV owner notices on their very first trip. The AC won't start on low power while camping off-grid. Any second AC units won't run when connected to a 30-amp power pole. And repeated AC startup is noisy at night, so any rest is virtually impossible. So whether RV trips are spoiled by overheating in the RV, no 50-amp poles at the campground, or no sleep because of noisy, rattling ACs at night, RVing isn't always as cool as it looks. But there is a simple fix. Install a SoftStartRV. You'll immediately enjoy quick AC startups on low power, even using a small generator. Cool, continuous comfort all day or night. Installation takes 20 minutes. Professional installation is available.
Peace of mind that you're safe and you can run what you want, when you want.
Get your SoftStartRV today.